Hey guys, si Johnny painom na ito o ganang vitamins na propan. Yun siya guys. Galing. Kung ano lang, ang edad sa ng anak is 2-year-old, 0.6 ml once daily. Kailangan prescribe with your doctor. Wait lang nak ha. Okay. Pangit na. Wait lang. Yay! Yummy! Ano pa, oh? One more. Sige na, one more. Pare, oh. Jenny, one more, oh. Wow! Very good. Wow! Very good. Ako bilhin. Nag-drink si Big Johnny. Ngipin. Very good. Very good ka. Finish na. Finish.